Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Thing. So this is our new project Smoke Catcher. So let's see what are the hardware components we are using in this project. So in this project we are using a 230 volt AC power supply to the project. So this is a step down transformer which convert the 230 volt AC into 12 volt AC. So after that 12 volt AC is given to the bridge rectifier circuitry, so which convert the 12 volt AC into DC power supply. So this DC power supply has been given to the fan and LED in the smoke catcher. So let's see what are the sections and what are the components are there in the smoke catcher. So in the smoke catcher there is a pre-filter and also we attach it to the fan. So in the pre-filter the air will be intake and the hard particles like leaves will be removed in the pre-filter. In the second filter it is an stone remover, means that dust and smoke and sand it will be removed by the second filter. In the third filter is a HEPA filter which will reduces the dust particle in the airs. So in the fourth filter, so we are using a carbon filter which will be reduces the carbon in the air, and this pure air has been taken out by this fan. So like this system we made a total this kind of the sections in the smoke catcher. So let's see the working of the project. So first of all we will turn on the power supply of the project. So as you can see here, so right now the project has been turned on, so all the fan and all the LEDs are working now. So let's see the working of the project now. So we are using a smoke here. So as you can see here, so automatically the smoke will be taken by this fan. Okay, automatically as you can see here, automatically the smoke of the this part will be taken by this fan. So and this fan will be transfer all the smoke to the pre-filters. Like this system the project working is there. Okay, and the pure air will be removed by this fan. Okay, so like this system the project working is there. If you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for the watching the video.